I'm just reminding, not a very long way. That blast happened in the Gaya. The next day, BJP is so responsible. Next day, called a Bandh on terrorist attack. This is the BJP. So two faces and two talks cannot run in this country. They have a good quality, how to change their faces within a minute. And they are very expert in that. We are not also blaming anybody, but circumstances and situation is speaking something, and nobody can deny. Is our demand. And
Sabir Ali, we
the
do not
government of
change
Bihar
political parties
should,
in 2 years. Sir, we cannot waste our time. My only submission here is Mr. Arnab Goswami. The situation in Bihar, the situation in Bihar is this gentleman can't hear.
Mr. Guri, I know you have
this gentleman, what does he speak, boss?
Now you are in a BJP.
What does he speak? My only submission here is ask this gentleman not to create a situation in.
Mr. Sabir Ali, please understand. No, Mr. Sabir Ali, you see, this is the problem. You leave your politics aside.
What I am saying, Mr. Sabir Ali, situation in Bihar is very critical. When people go back home today, most of the people who came as volunteers do not know what has actually happened. When they go back home, when they hear what Narendra Modi had to say, when they hear what the state government has done, it could be a very critical situation for Bihar. For God's sake, behave yourself, have some compassion for the people who are injured, ask your government to act. See that the best of treatment is given to these people, and please, for God's sake, what you want to achieve will not be achieved by trying to divide the state. BJP this gentleman...
No, watch it. Manoj Jha hasn't spoken yet. Watch it. Manoj Jha hasn't spoken yet. Watch it. Manoj Jha, do you feel somewhere?
Where you pick them up from.
One second. Manoj Jha, do you feel somewhere the politics of it took over? I mean, we had JDU leaders saying that I have asked income tax authorities to keep a very close watch, a hawk's eye, on how much money is being spent. So the question here is that there was so much focus on other aspects that the security aspect was never looked at. As recently as last month, Manoj Jha, as recently as September, intelligence agencies warned of possible communal flare-ups in Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Karnataka and Haryana. The government knew that Narendra Modi is going to address a rally on 27th of October. The basic logic is if something goes wrong in Narendra Modi's rally, it will have ripple effects, people will have an impact, the situation will go out of hand and large number of people will be assembled there. Today, who would you blame more? Would you squarely blame only the Nitish Kumar government out here? Do you believe they played into the politics of it? Would you have some sympathies for what Mr. Rajiv Rudi is saying, despite your political differences?
Yeah, just two things. In spite of political differences, I must say that what happened today was very unfortunate. But there has been a trend. It is not simply a failure of security mechanism by the state government in Bihar. It's a gross failure of emergency response system. Right from Chhath last year to Mashrak to Bodh Gaya, and today what happened? This is number one, where I feel that the state government cannot simply dissociate itself. It has to answer that what kind of preparations were put in place, what kind of apparatus were there. Because we have seen that ambulances were not available. I have been told people took the injured on bike. I mean, this is not done by a state government which knew 6 months before that the rally is going to happen. But the second part, Arnab, allow me to make. On your channel, I said once that we are heading for one of the most violent elections. And politicians have to be very careful about rhetoric, that their rhetoric could probably add them a few seats, but in the process...
No, so Sabir Ali, good you made the point on rhetoric. No, 1 second. Then be clear with me today. Sabir Ali says something is suspicious. My biggest problem in these situations is the kite flying that politicians do. Somebody says, oh, what is suspicious? Sabir Ali says something is very suspicious. It's clear he's pointing the finger, not at himself. When he says that these kind of incidents happen after the JDU and BJP breakup, you know where he's pointing the finger. And when Digvijay Singh says perfect setting for Narendra Modi's Bihar launch, you know where he's pointing the finger. Will you say both Digvijay Singh and Sabir Ali should not be finger pointing, kite flying? 1 minute, Sabir Ali. Let me hear it from this.
It applies to all. It applies to all, Arnab.
No. Don't be generic.
To Mr. Narendra Modi,
I am asking you to answer. I am asking you, Sabir Ali is with you live right now. Would you tell him that he's being utterly irresponsible in trying to point the finger at the BJP, which is...
of course, he should have waited for the investigation to be over. He should have waited for the investigation to be over. This is too premature. But the fact is, we are living in the
and for the Congress
very,
party,
very
and for the
kind
Congress
of
party, which has
situation.
dissociated itself from the comments of one of its leaders, who has said this could be a perfect setting if it happens for Narendra Modi's Bihar launch.
I mean,
Yeah.
Sanjay said there are
Sanjay
many
dodged
people in
it.
Congress
Sanjay
party.
dodged it.
It is not a it is not
Sanjay
a
dodged it.
common position of Congress party.
No, but Sanjay dodged it. No, Sanjay did not
Arnab.
answer that particular part.
Arnab,
didn't dodge.
I
He said-
answered you as a spokesperson for the Congress party. I repeat it again. And Manoj, thank you so much. I'm glad you heard what I said. Arnab, you did not. I repeat again, the Congress party condemns it. I can promise you this, that the,
You see
you know,
what-
when you have the Prime Minister's office, the Minister of State for
There is-
Home, all Congress
Sanjay-
leaders today would like peace in Bihar.
Sanjay, you see-
Let's not bring
Sanjay,
politics
may I
into
say
this
this?
and
May I
unfortunate
say this to
bloodshed.
you?
I don't want
May I
to
say
comment
this
on
to
every
you that
individual
all-
leader's observation.
You know where I'm coming from, Sanjay? All that I'm asking is there is a general concern among everyone today. This should not be a violent election. It's going to be a bitter election. But when political leaders immediately get their act together and do finger pointing, what are we aiming at? What do we arrive at? Okay, Mr. Rudy wants to say something 4 minutes before the break. Yes, Mr. Rudy. Mr. Rudy wants to come back.
Arnab, we may have discussed everything, but I've just come back from the hospital in Patna and I'm very disturbed. I'm very disturbed because the situation there. I'll ask you through your channel, I'll ask anyone who can do. There are hundreds of people lying on the floor without life support system, without medical facilities. There are thousands thronging to that place. The situation is absolutely tense. If we could do something to save, because most of them are in a critical situation and there is absolutely bare minimum facility. There is no oxygen, there is no saline, there is no life-saving drugs, there is no ventilator. Please, for God's sake, if there is no blood, there is no injectable medicine, absolutely it's mayhem. My only submission, if Times Now and Arnab, you have a heart, and if Mr. Sabir Ali has a heart, Mr. Sanjay has a heart, let's put every act together to save all those who can survive. We'll settle it out later, who did that and what that. But if anything can be done, please send your camera team there.
Sure.
Please ask the state government and please locate the Chief Minister of Bihar and please ask him through this television channel that put every system in place so that we can save those people who still are breathing. And
Well,
that's my only submission.
I-
no politics today.
I take
no
that.
BJP today,
I am taking
no
that,
Narendra Modi
and
today,
I think
but
everybody
it's
will.
It's a pathetic situation.
Arnav, I can tell you there is no need to search.
And
Bihar
then,
Chief
please
Minister
ask them to find out
very
where is
much
the
in
Chief
Patna,
Minister and is still
doing
the Chief
all-
Minister of
asking
Bihar.
all
Please ask him to
reviews.
get going.
He is very much concerned. People who are just lip-sync service, he is
Where is
very
he?
much concerned.
Where is he?
looking
Why is
after
your
each
statement
and
not come from
everything,
him? Why?
sitting
Where
in
is he from?
Patna.
Where is he hiding? Why can't he come out?
There is
Why
no
has he run away
need
from Patna?
to people
Why is he not
Arnab,
looking after that
please
newspaper?
ask this
We don't
political
have-
No one will let
acrimonious to
Nitish
come to an
Kumar
end,
is
please.
not
It's
that kind
it's
of
not a
person
day
who's
to
going to
indulge in
react
this
out.
Where is Mr.
conversation.
Nitish
People
Kumar?
who read out that-
Whenever anything happens in the
He
state,
is in the war.
whenever anything
He is
happens in
doing
the state, he
it
runs
very
away.
much. He is performing
Whenever
his
anything happens in the state,
Rajiv, I thought you were talking about maintaining some kind of somber state. You're fighting again.
No, but after all, please ask them to do
I-
something. People
I'm-
are dying. The people who are
Please,
injured. are
I
dying.
say one
They
thing.
want to send the administration.
I say just one thing to all you esteemed gentlemen tonight. There's one thing. You have to, there are two things we need. You know, we need to send a common
People
message
are
out to
doing
whoever is
the
responsible.
all-
Whoever Sabir Ali, whoever is responsible.
Should be caught.
Whoever is
Definitely.
responsible, you catch them. But Sabir Ali, I request you. You are not an investigating agency, neither is any politician from the Congress party.
I am not
So to
saying-
go and
I'm not-
suggest,
please do not
Sankarshan,
raise
do you
the
agree?
finger towards me regarding, I have
No,
not
no.
said anything.
I'll
can't
take
hear
a
what
view
he's
from
saying.
Sankarshan.
Remind my
But the drift of it is-
Sankarshan,
I said that
You need to, at some point of time, stop.
do tell me what he's
stop.
saying.
No, no, one sec. Sabir Ali. Sabir Ali, have a heart.
Why is that
I have not
gentleman
said
screaming
so.
so much?
Sabir,
Why can't
have
he
a
keep
heart.
Please,
Sabir
Arnab.
Ali, people
I have
have a
not
right
said
to be
so.
frustrated today. This was a rally you knew will happen. There were lakhs of people organized there. It is your responsibility. And I don't think it is asking for too much.
People of
No, no, if the-
Bihar, the blood has been shedded today, has been dropped on that. We are not going to spare.
Well, I
Whoever
think
has done
on
it.
moments like this, you
Talks
need
in
to
a
come
communal
together.
line, so
Sankarshan,
people are
last
obeying
word.
for the society.
Last word to you, Sankarshan. Will this become more fierce? Because I don't think the blame game is going to take people anywhere. This is not the political culture of Bihar, neither is it the political culture of India.
Today, it is definitely going to become much more bitter and divided and polarized, unfortunately. But I think today the prime need was to wait, having got rid of the shock of the security lapse on the ground, to then wait for what the security agencies find out about and then fix
True,
responsibility. rather than, you know, do the shouting match across on TV channels.
True, I completely agree with you. There's no sidestepping that.
My honor, my last submission. My last submission, honor.
But there is also no getting away from a grave security lapse.
So, honor, God forbid nothing happened on the stage, near the stage.
Mr. Ali.
God forbid, I can't even dream what would have happened in the country if something would have happened to our leader who was visiting. So God forbid, the state government has to realize the consequence of such rallies and the consequence which may have followed if God forbid something had happened. For God's sake, try to put things back in order. Try to restore law and order.
Do not
ask the Chief Minister to come back and take charge of the state.
You know, disagreeing, disagreeing on responsibility is not going to lead anywhere. Mr. Sabir Ali, take the responsibility like you should. Take the responsibility as you should, and I think wherever now there's a message, we are heading towards a general election. We are heading towards a general election. There are people who have suffered today. I think no Indian needs to suffer because of attending a political rally.